I started well.
Oh yeah, I did like the idea.
Yeah, I did like the idea.
Ben's mum.
Is it guys today? Sorry, I need to write.
Why does he speak like that? Why does he
He's not seeing me.
Why do you go?
I mean, mine too hardly ever speak to me. And I never listened to my mum when I was that age.
When you was a teenager.
Teenager.
Mainly, that Max Browning was the wrong man for me.
So, who's the right man for you?
Keith Lemon.
Joke. All she's done is cut and paste and smack it into
She looks so dressed up. It's unbelievable.
Here you are. I'm not talking about the kids, am I? My house.
What does it matter, Max? Who's she seeing?
Don't matter. She's my past and she's got my future. It's just the kids. Don't worry about them.
Is an auntie even legal?
Well, she's been with Bill. It's a bit of illegal.
Well, say it was illegal.
And don't tell me.
Don't tell her if.
He did try once. Yeah.
Got my deepest sympathy.
Is that a deal breaker, is it? Did you go out with Sharon?
Oh my god, it's hot, man.
Nothing serious.
Uncomfortable.
Well, you were serious though, were you? You and Sharon?
Yeah, well, that's the past.
Yeah, that's the past.
Yeah. Her and Jack seem great together.
She'll settle for one man.
You trying to hit it now?
Yep.